Hi, I hope that you liked the first video that we did. I'm going to be posting this something that I cooked a while back. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. I cooked seafood boil and also some steamed pampano. So I'm gonna post that so you guys can see what I did there, and hope that you like it. Like what I said before, if you like the videos, if you wanna request for some more food that we could try it at home, dad style, just comment below and we'll post it through. Okay, so we're gonna start this cooking by sauteing garlic, lots of garlic and lots of onions into your wok, and then you're gonna prepare your shrimps. I prepared my shrimps and my crabs, my blue crabs, all set to go. So I cooked it while the onions are ready, and then I put in my tiger shrimps in there. Now the trick with this is the shrimp should be at least only 5 minutes, so it doesn't get all hard when you eat it. So then what I do is once it's cooked, I separate all the shrimps out of the wok, but I leave the sauce in there. And then that's when I put the blue crabs, which I already opened, cleaned, and chopped in half. So the sauce gets in there, and the juice from the crabs just marinates and gets cooked in there. So I put everything in there. I put it and add a little bit more water in there for the sauce, so it's there, and then I will cover it so it cooks a little bit quicker. The crabs I tend to cook a little bit longer, so with I'll say about 6 or 7 minutes, and they cook really quickly, and you can tell it because they turn really orange. And once it's done, you kind of flip it to the ones that are not kind of on the other side of the sauce, so everything gets cooked evenly. And then I start removing the parts that are already cooked so they don't get overcooked, but you can see the juice coming out of those blue crab meat in there. So I love the sauce of this because this is the same sauce that I'm going to be using to cook the meat, the muscle meats, and I'm going to be pouring that on top of the boil. So now once it's done, I'm going to be cooking the muscle meat, and I'm going to let that boil for another, I would say, about 6 minutes. I added a little bit of water in there into the sauce, so you can see the sauce is pretty concentrated with a lot of juices from the meat, so it's ready. So I'm going to go ahead and take all the meats out, the muscle meat, strain it again, and then just pour it on top there. Just mix them all up. That's how seafood boil is. You just put them all together. Then I'm gonna put potatoes in there. So in that same sauce, I'm gonna boil the potatoes in there. This is the one that takes a while. So I'm gonna boil it really hot, and just cover it so it cooks quickly. Once it's done, I'm gonna take them all off again, strain them, and put them on top of our container there with the rest of our seafood. So you can see the potatoes are really cooked now, and yeah, this is gonna be really good because they're flavored already with the sauce. And now when it's done, I'm just gonna put the sauce on top of our boil. So for presentation, I kind of just put them together and arrange them so the crab shells are all out, and then just pour that baby in there. Just put all that sauce in there and just marinate it. So remember, all of them are cooked already. You're just going to be marinating it. So before serving it, usually what I do is I boil it again and pour it on top, and then I put the last thing that you need in there will be the green scallions. So now I'm going to be cooking our pampano, and Brenda loves this thing. So very easy. I cut it in half, I cleaned it, and then I just put some garlic and ginger and onions inside of it in half, and then I put some green scallions, and then put it into our grill, and just obviously covered with our aluminum foil. So for the sauce, is very easy. All I did was I just put in some olive oil, put some garlic in there, and some soy sauce, and some it's just sesame oil. Put them all in there, and after, I would say, about 15 minutes, you can see that the pampano is cooked. And I usually turn it around, and then once you open it, just pour the sauce in, and it's good. This is our seafood boil. Not complicated, very easy, and every one of you can do it. And sesame oil, soy sauce, and green scallions. I hope you all enjoy it. Bon appetit. Thanks for watching.